Sawadee Krap. Hi everyone, I'm Kitiem Teo from Malaysia. I'm 40 years old and living in Bangkok City now. I'm working as a coordinate designer. The job is a design factory. It's considered a lot of issue, not only design but also engineering too. The reason I like cooking is I can forget all the busy work of the whole day. And every food has its own material, sauce, how to make it, how to cut, how to prepare, and how to make it delicious is a big keyword in cooking. The reason I like to try Masterchef Thailand program is I like challenging game, and I would like to try my best skill how far I can do it. Besides, it's a chance to meet the TV programmer, producers, and some chefs and some participants. Enjoy the cooking and how do they make the program and how to enjoy the cooking. Thank you. Hi everyone, I would like to present mushroom and vegetables rice pepper roll. This is dipping sauce, ketchup, passion fruit juice, sugar, salt, garlic powder, dark honey, red wine vinegar, Maggi sauce, sesame oil, sriracha sauce. I will use 4 types of mushrooms: king oyster, maitake, shiitake, enoki mushroom. For vegetables, Chinese broccoli, green peas, dill, garlic, shallots, green oat, and rice pepper. Grapeseed oil, saucinjiu, sake, salt and salt butter, sesame oil. Let's start cooking. At first, I prepare dipping sauce. Ketchup, passion fruit, sugar, sweet balls, nut honey, red wine vinegar, Maggi sauce, sesame oil, sriracha sauce, Let's start cooking. Saucinjiu, sesame oil, dill, enoki, soy sauce, Okay everyone, this is dipping sauce, stir-fried mushroom, vegetables. Let's do final step, rice pepper roll. Next, we are going to mix mushroom and vegetables. The ratio is 1:1. Let's mix it. Okay. Bring out. Okay, put on it. Next, I'm going to wrap it. Okay. Yes, that's it. Okay. Hi everyone, this is my final product, mushroom and vegetable pepper rice roll. The material is quite simple. I use a lot of mushroom and vegetables. It's good for health. Besides, I add some alcohol to increase the flavor and umami. And this is dipping sauce. With this eat together, it's more delicious. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.